So analog devices and circuit serial number 4, data logger. So last class we discussed with the recorders. So recorders having the two model, one is analog model, another one is digital model. In analog model, we are using the X-ray recorders, magnetic tape recorders, so that is have less efficiency in the repetitive operations. But in the data storage, in the digital format, we are having the more number of repetition, and we can erase or reproduce the data in any time. Okay, this is the data logging concept. So this data logging refers to collecting or gathering data from over a period of time. The data logger is a device that can be used to store and retrieve the data. The data loggers capture, measure, and analyze physical phenomena from the real world. So light, temperature, pressure are example of the different type of signals that a data logger can measure. The data logger is often a handheld battery operated device which has a large amount of memory. Okay, so this is the black diagram for the data logger. So there is sensor 1, sensor 2, microcontroller, display, and storage. That means for a system, so we have more number of sensors. For example, for producing the plant, for a particular plant, we have a 100 number of sensors, 10 number of sensors available. We are taking the sensor value and we are converting this analog value into the digital. Okay, we are converting analog value, analog signal into the digital signal, that is zeros and ones, and we are storing into the particular memory through the microcontroller. So this controller circuit will control the input and output operations. Okay. So whenever if you want to retrieve the data from the memory, you can retrieve through the controller. Okay. So this controller will define the output. So where you have to use, where we have to define or like that it will define. Then show the output in the output display. So we have different building blocks of data logger, that is transistor and sensor, the device that converts a physical phenomenon such as light, temperature, pressure, or sound into a measurable electrical signal such as voltage or current. So analog to digital converter, the data logger senses only digital signals and hence analog signal it may be converted into the digital signal. Microcontroller and storage. Microcontroller is used to convert digital signal into binary form. Storage used to store the converted digital signal. So display. Some data loggers interface with a personal computer and utilize software to activate the data logger and view and analyze the data collected. While others have a local interface device, keypad, LCD, and can be used as a standalone device. So standalone and PC based. So standalone hardware can be continuously measure and log data without connection of PC. PC means connected with the different operations. Advantages of data loggers can be used in the remote or dangerous situation. The data logging can be carried out 24 hours a day, 365 days of the year. So the time travel for collecting the data can be very frequent and regular. For example, 100 of measurement per second. So disadvantage equipment can be expensive for small tasks. Then application, they can be used in the following application like unattended recording at the weather stations to record parameters like temperature, wind speed, direction, solar radiation, and relative humidity. For hydrographic recording of water flow, water pH, water conductivity, water level, and water depth. In the recording of soil moisture levels, to record gas pressure and to monitor tank levels, vehicle testing, so like that. Okay, so these are the different data loggers and the different recording signals, recording devices we have used in the day-to-day